Alright, as you can see, took the body off of this crappy chassis. It's really not that crappy, it's actually kind of nice. But that's what I'm using because this one was cut. As you can see, let me get my shadow out of here. As you can see, it was clipped in the front, and I don't like doing that kind of stuff because it's just a mess. Like, everything in the front's different, and that changes this, and that changes that, and this. I just want this project to be simple. So, and it's, I don't know, doesn't look to be done that great. So all I need from this chassis really is, I think I'm going to take the shock mounts, take the shocks off. I need the leaf springs and shackles because I'm pretty sure I broke at least one shackle from the other car. So let me start taking this apart and swapping it over. Alright, so I got the shackles off, the front leaf spring bolts. I had to file in flats on both sides of this one because it was just spinning, but I just put a adjustable wrench on the other side and came off nice and easy. This one just came out. So now I'm taking the shocks off. And then I can lift the back of this frame, push it forward, and the rear end will be out. And I'll probably just put this thing, I might put the blocks in. Yeah, I'll put the blocks in, why not? It's already out. I was gonna just put the rear end in that chassis just because I'm doing this quick. I don't have much time, but you know, it's out here, might as well just put the lowering blocks in while it's out. So yeah, let me finish taking those shocks off. I think I'm just gonna take them off the upper mounts and yeah, put those lowering blocks in quick. Alright, well that's that. Now time to get the other chassis in the work area and put this rear end in it. That should be pretty easy. Should be. I don't know, it's always famous last words. But yeah, let's get after it. Alright, that's where it needs to be. I am going to put the drop blocks under the leaves right now and then flip it back over and bolt it in. Should be easy. Then I'll have a roller again and then I'll drop the body on top of it. Yeah. Hopefully that'll go good. We'll see. got the blocks on, just kind of loosely. Not loosely, they're tight, but I didn't torque them or anything because I'm probably going to take them out to clean up the leaf springs one of these days. So just gotta flip this rear end back over, then I'll pick the frame up, pull it back over the rear end, bolt the fronts in, put the shackles on, put the rears on, and push it under that body, drop it down. I'm just quickly replacing the crappy bushings that are in here because I have a couple extra. So, fronts are bolted on. Now I just need to do those shackles and I can push her on back. All right. Blocks are on. Might switch the wheels and tires to this just to make it look better later on. I had to do something with that rear end. Original frame, rolling. Finally. Got a bunch of bees flying around this thing. I hope they don't make a nest. I will not appreciate that. But there's really nothing I can do about it if they do. So, okay, what do I have to do? I can't have this on here. I can take the steering wheel off. That could help. So let me try and take the steering wheel off. I can fish the steering wheel through that hole right there. I mean the steering shaft, hopefully. And yeah. Then we'll drop this bad Larry down. You like that? Old creeper / jack stand. The plan of taking the steering wheel off didn't work at all. Thing was frozen on there. So I'm just gonna take the steering box out, hopefully. Well, that's sketchy. Well, it's no big deal. Alright, so what I'm going to do is lift this up, kick that out of the way, or just lean it against me, and I'll just drop the car down so it's resting on the back side of the frame, and then I'll just use the chain fall and drop the front down, and then kind of just I'll just probably have to shimmy the body in place, which shouldn't be a problem. as a back. Now I'm going to work on the chain fall. So there's little tabs that I didn't know of that hang down on the side of the front, little arms that come out of the frame to locate the front exactly. They're tight, especially with that new one that I made. Man, I might need to trim some off, but later. Right now I just wanted it on the frame. Cool. Now let's get it back outside and in its spot. Alright guys, you probably can't see me, but it's dark out and late, but got the shoebox on its original, not original frame, but on an uncut frame. Blocks are in. I actually brought the dashboard to sandblasters, so one step at a time. Yeah, I'm actually getting pretty excited about that. See if I can squeeze in like a week or two in between customers, try to get something done on it, but it's a project. It's gonna be slow. All my personal projects are pretty slow, but getting some work done on it. You know, like always guys, thanks for hanging in there. I know shoebox videos don't pop up that much on my channel, but when they do, you know, I try to make them count. So thanks again. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. Thanks. See you guys on the next one.